Hey there, YouTube. Today we're here to talk about the OneKey Classic crypto wallet. And there's a lot of crypto wallets out there in the world. I got this one specifically to use with Dynex. And let me tell you why. First, a bit about OneKey. They make secure, open source crypto wallets trusted by millions. Their products help keep your digital assets safe and easy to manage. With many different models to choose from, there is bound to be one with features that are designed for your needs. Now, let's talk about the OneKey Classic. This wallet works with macOS, Windows, Linux, iOS, and Android. This wallet's perfect for holding various digital assets, including Dynex. Now, OneKey is the only hardware wallet currently supported by the Dynex project. The partnership between OneKey and Dynex highlights the reliability and trustworthiness of this wallet. So some of the pros are it's portable, easy to carry, offers great protection for your assets, it's compatible with many platforms, and it's open source. Some of the cons are the price point. It costs $89, which might be kind of high for some people, and the setup might be tricky for beginners, but you would expect that in a lot of different crypto wallets. I chose this wallet because it's the only one that is recommended by Dynex on their site specifically. I received the Dynex edition. I think it's pretty cool for what I'm gonna be using it for. Other products by OneKey include the OneKey Touch, which is a hardware wallet with a touchscreen, the OneKey Mini, which is a smaller, more portable version, and even the OneKey app to manage all your crypto assets in one application. So I received the OneKey Classic crypto wallet from OneKey in exchange for a video to talk about it. So I guess in that sense, you could consider this a sponsored video because they sent me a thing. Now, like I said, this is a Dynex edition, which is branded, you can see down there in the corner with the Dynex logo. Kind of cool. My intention with this is to hold my Dynex on the hardware wallet because this is the only air-gapped wallet that I know of, at least based on the Dynex website that is supported and recommended from the Dynex project. Pretty sure there are other hardware wallets that will hold Dynex. Like I said, this one's supported. Plus the wallet is open source, so that helps a lot too. What comes in the box is your crypto wallet, a charging cable, and some documentation, plus a place to write down your seed phrase. Looking at their website at onekey.so, we can see that, where's my mouse? There we are. Obviously it supports lots of cryptos. Essentially, the application on your phone is the interface for your wallet in order to interact with it. As far as moving assets out of the wallet, you would need your 2FA device, kind of like a multi-factor authentication device. Setup is pretty easy. Download the app, follow the instructions, you can figure it out. I believe in you. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other devices that OneKey has besides this super simple little iPod Nano looking thing. You can see there are different wallets here. There's a couple of new ones like this one, the OneKey Pro, which is a full touchscreen, kind of looks like a phone. It's got a camera on the back. You can scan your OneKey desktop app like this here, where you would sign with the camera basically, which is a pretty cool, like, modern way of doing things. What else do they have? OneKey Classic S, which is a lot like this one, but has a different security chip on board, I believe. So that was the Pro. This one's the Touch, which is just a touch screen device. Okay. And the OneKey Lite, which I would be more interested in personally because it's like Tangem. It's just a card you can keep in your wallet. It works over NFC. Essentially, you go to make a transaction on your phone and you would take your card and tap it on the phone to verify what you're doing on your app. I do prefer having a full desktop like GUI over just a phone app. So the option to have both is a nice feature, I guess. So using this thing, it reminds me of a flat ledger, if that would be one way to put it, I guess. Kind of cool. So if you are trying to interact in a way that you need your device as the MFA, this is actually kind of cool. I mean, you can communicate over Bluetooth, which you can do with one of the ledgers, the Ledger X, I believe. It never really worked very well for me anyway. Anyway, it asks for a PIN, and it tells you that this is the sequence for the PIN numbers. So it's not like a phone pad, and this sequence changes every time. So if I want to put in my PIN, I have to go boop, 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 boop. And it's different every time I go to do that. Just like I'm doing a test right now where I'm trying to send 5 Dynex out of the wallet, because I already got some into the wallet. So I just need to go through and confirm, do you want to sign the transaction? Yes. And it was submitted. That's it. I'm not going to carry this around in my pocket. Realistically, something like this, I would. I'm going to put it in its box and I'm going to put it in the safe. Just like I did with the Ledger and just like I did with my spare tangems. But to interact with on a day-to-day basis, something like this just makes sense. All I got to do is pull this out of my wallet, tap, and I'm done. And I'm betting the OneKey Lite is very similar, but I haven't got my hands on that to confirm. I do advocate for not putting all your eggs in one basket, diversifying and spreading out your portfolio across multiple locations. One thing, let's see. Let's take a look at the app again real quick. It does support Caspa. That's nice. Oh, and it needs a device to add a new coin to the app. So I go to add Caspa and it tells me checking device status. Now I've got another Caspa wallet that I can, again, split out some of my portfolio, some of my holdings, so it's not all in one place. Realistically, just like any crypto wallet, hardware wallet, software wallet, app, air-gapped, whatever, it's going to be as safe as the user interacts with it. Just like in the world of IT, your weakest link is always your people, right? You don't click the links. You always have multi-factor authentication set up on all of your apps, all of your things. You need an MFA. Something like this adds that extra layer of protection. So for example, if your phone gets hacked, or let's be honest, if you end up giving access of your phone, your device, to a bad actor, and they go to make changes and move assets out of your wallet on your phone, on your app, they still need this device to put in the code. So even if they know your PIN, they can't put the PIN in until it's communicated from the physical device. So let me sum this up now. OneKey seems to make some pretty good devices. Like I mentioned earlier, I allude it or compare it to a flat ledger. This is not a device I'm gonna keep on me or keep in my car or take on vacation. This is something I'm gonna stick in the safe until I'm ready to move assets out of cold storage. And it supports Dynex. That's the whole reason of me getting it. If you made it this far in the video and you learned something today, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel get recommended out to others. This is the kind of video that you enjoy watching. Consider subscribing for more like it. And of course, thanks for watching.